Hi, I'm Brendan from the Plant World of Gardening. Now, I have planted some salad onions here on the end of this bed, and I'm going to plant, I have 6 oak leaf lettuce plants. I'm going to put them in. I'm going to plant them nice and wide, give them loads of space because we don't ever cut this lettuce, we just harvest leaves off it, so I'll give them plenty of space to grow. I put these two plants across the bed. What I'll do is I'll just lay them out where I'm going to plant them. I have plenty of space. And the bed is being dressed in the autumn with plenty of well-rotted compost, and it's top rested with poultry pellets. And in that. Lots of room there now to do nice big heads. Even when this lettuce bolts, you still pick the leaves off it. You know, as the plant grows up along, you pick the leaves off up along the stem. You get a little bit more bitter as they grow like that, but they're still fine. Maybe it's an acquired taste. Okay, that's our lettuce planted and watered. This should come on nicely now over the next few weeks, and as soon as they're big enough, we'll start to pick some leaves off it. Oh, yeah.